Changing a supplier on AutoDS is a simple process, but it's important to ensure the switch is smooth to maintain inventory and pricing consistency. Here's how you can do it. Identify the product. Log into your AutoDS account and navigate to the product section. Find the product for which you want to change the supplier. Find a new supplier. Go to your preferred marketplace and search for the same product from a different supplier. Copy the product URL or ID of the new supplier's listing. Update product on AutoDS. Return to AutoDS and click on the product you want to update. In the product details, look for the option to edit or change supplier. Paste the new supplier's product URL or ID in the corresponding field. Save and sync. After entering the new supplier's details, click Save. AutoDS will automatically sync the product with the new supplier's price, inventory, and shipping options. Monitor the product. Make sure everything is working correctly by checking inventory levels and pricing updates. AutoDS will continue to monitor the product under the new supplier.